This is what you see when you walk into my room. Here is a little sitting area. You can sit and read. Your cat can sit on your lap. It's pretty great. These elephants, my mom got me from India. I have a lot of things that my mom got me from India because she knows what I like. This is a cool hamper from a store called 10,000 Villages that sells like fair trade products from all over the world. And this hamper is made out of recycled saris, and it's really pretty. This chair I got off of Craigslist and put a blanket over it because my cat likes to sit on it and she sheds a lot, so I like to be able to take the blanket off and wash it. And it also came with this stool. I've also got this cool knot pillow that my friend Sam got for me, and this cat named Zip that I've had nearly my whole life. And this is my mini Neha Kuchipudi art gallery, first in the world. I've got this calf that she drew for my birthday one year. It's very cute. And then I've got a portrait of Kashi that I commissioned her to make one year. And if you could see these in real life, the detail is amazing. And I got them like professionally framed so that they won't get damaged from light exposure or anything, and they'll hopefully last forever because they're so beautiful and my sister made them. Okay, that's enough. This rug is also from the same store that I got this hamper from, and it's also made out of recycled saris. This stool step thing is just so Kashi can get into bed. I think it's supposed to be like a lap desk or something, but it serves its purpose. I've got these cool brass scallop things. I think they're supposed to be like wall planters, but I don't have any plants in them, clearly. I got those on Etsy, and I think they're really pretty, and they're like, I wanted something cool to put above my bed. I feel like this like matches my style really nicely. Summer quilt on here. I also have like a fluffy gray/black duvet that I use in the winter, but this quilt is really pretty, and my mom also got me this from India. This rug I actually got in college from Five Below, like the $5 store, and it was $5, and it's pretty nice quality for $5. Like, it's lasted me years, and you can also wash it in the washing machines. That's pretty cool. But I will be passing this on to my sister so she can use it in her college room. This is my dresser. Yeah, I just put an assortment of things that I like on here. I've got some plants, some candles. This is a really cute elephant candle holder that my friend Connor got for me. Here's a picture of Ethan and I. And then this is a really cool journal that my friend Evan actually made. So that's pretty cool. It's very skillful. And then got a cat toy that I actually need to sew. It's Kashi. She a hole through it, but these candlesticks were made by my friend Kristen. It's pretty cool. Got this cute little cow. Love animal decorations. And a Ganesha. My mom gives me a Ganesha for like every new place that I move to, basically, so there's one that she gave me. Ethan got me this last year for our anniversary. It has all the lyrics to This Must Be the Place by Talking Heads on it. It's pretty cheesy, pretty cute. And then this is a little illustration by Cheyenne Barton, and I got it because it looks like my sister. I have a lovely view of construction of my monstera plant that is just thriving. And I also have my philodendron plant that I got. Well, I got the hanger from a pottery store in Maine. And this plant is also thriving. All my plants are thriving because I love them. I don't know if I'll be using this cart as a nightstand at my new place. I really like the color of it. It's like a sage green. But since it doesn't have any drawers, you can just like see all your junk. And I kind of tried to fix that problem by having like a little bin for all my cords. And then these bins that I have like my electrical what's it called, power strip in there, so to try to hide some of the junk. Also this cool print that was just like a free flyer from Smoketown Mushrooms in Rochester. Up here is a bag which is made out of an old sari. I have so many decorations that are made out of old saris, but they just look cool. It's like a cool way to repurpose the fabric. This elephant, you guessed it, is also from my mom, and she got it from India. So this bed I actually had like in my childhood bedroom growing up, or like my teenage bedroom, I guess. And it's meant to have like an iPod dock in the middle. See a little hole for it. And then you put like speakers in here so you can like play your iPod. I used to put my iPod Nano in there and jam out while doing homework. But since I don't use it for that purpose anymore, I covered these black speaker panels with some old fabric from a scarf that I wasn't wearing anymore. And now it looks really pretty. And it matches my room a bit more. I think that's my whole room. So yeah, thanks for watching.